Majote akufwa. Majote akufwa.
Chigo.
Majote akufwa.
Majote. Igbo proverbs for kids.
For kids.
As it said, Dalo.
Dalo. Daza.
You're welcome. The antelope that leads the herd drinks the sweetest water.
Look.
The first one to do a thing receives the most praise.
Kanka.
Oh, Kebunka.
Alligator.
Oh, alligator. Oh, I think like Cabo, crocodile. Cabo, agui.
So are we?
Crocodile. Man, like alligator, yeah, sure. Alligator. Oh, good baby. Do not speak badly of a crocodile when your leg is in the river. No. Blue. Speak kindly of others. They might be listening. The monkey said that his eyebrows almost spoiled his beauty. A small thing can spoil a big thing. Gail.
Your mirror.
Oh. Your mirror?
Oh, your mirror.
Chinyamiri. Kemi. Omba. About the midi was however. About me.
Not green. The green.
The butterfly should not think it is a bird. Be realistic about your place in the world. Kafanka. Ngwere. Lizard. Okay, go. The lizard that jumped from the iroko tree to the ground said he would praise himself if no one else did. Even if nobody appreciates what you have done, you should be proud of your accomplishment. One should look for a black goat in the afternoon. Do things at the proper time. A toad does not run in the daytime for nothing. Something strange does not happen for no reason at all. The chicken one carries on the head does not know that the road is long. One who has others to do things for them does not know the pains involved in it. Baby. Cafe.
Kata.
Kata, yeah. When the leopard has a broken paw, the antelope comes to collect old debts. When someone strong is weakened, the weak feel strong. Cow, oh mano. Animals. Aguru, yeah, leopard. Kapanka.
Aguru.
Kafia.
A cook.
Or cook or chicken. Kozema. Manka. Buba. Butterfly. Manka.
Owl.
Mobile. Frog. Kafanka. Ngwere. Mobile. Lizard. Kabu. Agui. Crocodile.
Kanka.
Antelope. Ele. Udele. Vulture. Ele. Antelope. Udene. Vulture.
Kanka.
Ogumagana. Chameleon.
Kawozu.
Ngwa.